Today we're checking out the JBL Partybox on the GO2. I'll walk you through everything, so you're set to vibe anywhere, anytime. Unboxing time. Open the box and take out the speaker. In the box you'll find the quick start guide, power cord, carrying strap, wireless microphone, and microphone holder. Turn the speaker on by pressing down the power button. If it's the first time you use the Partybox, Bluetooth pairing will activate automatically. If another device is already connected, you can manually pair the Partybox by pressing the Bluetooth button. You can now find the speaker listed on your device to make the connection. In case you don't want to use Bluetooth, you can also connect your device with an AUX cable. Snap on the carrying strap and you're mobile, or use the handle on top. Bring the beats wherever you're headed. Bonus, it's got an IPX4 rating, so you don't have to worry about splashing water nearby. On the speaker, use the play button to pause or switch songs. Twist it to control the volume. Want to set the vibe? Hit the light show button to turn the lights on or off, or spin it and find your aesthetic. If you really want to get the party going, you can press the bass boost button. Now here's where it gets cool. Grab the JBL Partybox app. With the app, you can control the light show, tune the settings for your microphone, change the pitch, or adjust the equalizer. Take the microphone in your hand and press the button to turn it on. It is automatically connected to your speaker. On the Partybox, you can adjust the volume and echo of the microphone. You're also able to connect two microphones at the same time. Is it not always a sing-along? Attach the microphone holder on the back of your speaker and place your microphone there when you're not using it. Boost your sound even more with the multi-speaker connection by Auracast. If you have extra JBL Auracast-enabled speakers, you can connect them by using the Auracast button for an even bigger party. Press the Auracast button on the speaker, and then the secondary speakers to fill your space with the beats of your choice. Or select Party together in the JBL Partybox app. Low on battery? That's not going to stop you. Charge your speaker when the light indicator turns red. Simply plug in the power cord on the back of the speaker. With just 10 minutes of charging, you get an extra 80 minutes of playtime. Or even better, get a dedicated JBL charging case and extra replaceable JBL battery 200, so you'll never run out of power. With a full battery, you can enjoy your music for up to 15 hours. Is your phone or microphone almost empty? Plug them in with a USB-C cable to the port on the speaker to keep the party going, anywhere, anytime.